Opening a Chime account requires $0. Many people looking into digital banking platforms assume there is a hidden financial catch or a mandatory opening balance requirement before they can access financial services. Traditional brick-and-mortar financial institutions have long conditioned consumers to expect minimum deposit thresholds, maintenance charges, and tiered balance rules just to keep a checking account active. Financial technology companies approach account creation differently by removing monetary barriers to entry, meaning anyone can sign up without funding the account immediately. $0 is the exact amount needed to complete the registration process and secure a functional routing and account number. The application process itself is entirely free of charge. Submitting personal details such as a legal name, date of birth, residential address, and social security number takes only a few minutes through the mobile application or website. Because Chime operates as a financial technology company partnering with FDIC-insured partner banks rather than functioning as a traditional bank itself, identity verification happens digitally. Credit scores or past banking missteps do not block approval, as standard applications bypass traditional consumer reporting agencies like check systems. Gaining approval and opening the digital profile costs nothing, allowing users to establish their accounts with a $0 balance. Maintaining the account moving forward also requires no money. Monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance penalties, and unexpected service charges do not exist within the Chime structure. Account holders can let their balance sit at zero for weeks or months without incurring penalty fees or negative balances simply for lack of use. This lack of overhead financial pressure makes the platform accessible for individuals who want to test out digital financial management tools without committing hard-earned cash upfront. Funding the account eventually becomes necessary only when the user decides to make purchases, pay bills, or use the debit card. Multiple methods exist to add money once funding is ready. Setting up direct deposit through an employer allows paychecks to flow directly into the account, which often unlocks additional features like early payday access or fee-free overdraft protections. Alternatively, users can transfer funds from an external bank account electronically, deposit cash physically at participating retail partner locations like Walgreens, or initiate mobile check deposits. None of these funding avenues require massive sums of money to begin. Even a small initial transfer of a few dollars activates the virtual debit card immediately for online transactions while waiting for the physical card to arrive in the mail. Optional features linked to the ecosystem also maintain flexible financial requirements. Opening a high-yield savings account or requesting a credit-building card carries no separate activation costs or minimum deposit mandates. Users control how much or how little money moves through their ecosystem based entirely on personal preference and financial capacity. The baseline requirement remains unchanged at $0, ensuring complete financial accessibility for anyone looking to transition into modern digital banking.